Hello and happy Friday. Hello and happy Friday to all of your sunshiny faces. My throat hurts. At about 2 o'clock we left to go to my Aunt Carol's house. So then we had a Thanksgiving party there and there was a lot of fun stuff. So yeah, that happened. And also the Bulls game was on tonight, which the Bulls lost, and it was 104 to like 80 what, Kayla? Kayla, 80 what?
No, 92.
To 92. So 804 to 92. It was a pretty close game, but when we turned on the TV, it was like 18 to like 34 or something when we turned on the TV and started watching it. So guys, I know I may sound a little tired, and that's probably because I am tired, but also my throat's hurting. What's really weird is I've never heard Matthew not sneeze, snore before in sleep. So last night I was putting on Netflix and I heard Matthew snore. I was like, what was that? And I turned and I was like, was that Matthew? I never heard him snore before. So guys, if you enjoyed this vlog, give it a big thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more vlogs like this, then please subscribe, and I will see you all tomorrow. Goodbye. Well, these are just the snacks. These are just the snacks.
No, they're not.
Yes, the stuff on the table is just snacks, the chips and stuff.
No, it's not. That's dinner, Jack.
No, it's not.
Yes, Jack. Oh my goodness, that's dinner.
And we got some nice cheese to dip the chips in. Looks pretty nice.
That's dinner.
It's not dinner!
Mom, is that snacks?
Oh yeah, and then cranberries. Oh wait, no, that's not cranberries. I think that's some cranberries. But that's not all of it.
Close your Xbox.
Here's some turkey. These are the snacks, right, Matthew? The turkey's just the snacks.
No!
It's
not snacks.
Stop.